Guys, I'm voicing over Deku obeying Bakugo for 24 hours. Deku, come to my room now! So, your punishment begins today, huh? Wish me luck, guys. Good luck, The fuck? But why in his room, huh? Ooh, something's going to happen. I can hear you both. Yeah. Gachan, why? Hey, Deku. Yes, Gachan? He's so sweaty. Give me a towel right now. Oh, okay, Gachan. Gachan, here's your towel. Now wipe my sweats off, nerd. Can't you just do that yourself, Gachan? Just do as I say, stupid nerd. Okay. Yeah, he stinks like ass. Ugh. Smell my odor. Oh, wow! I got you now, Deku. Gachan, you're sweaty. I don't care. Just stay still, Deku. Help! Quiet. I'm so tired, okay? Gosh, he smells like dick.
Hi, love you. Guess what?
For this is not.
Group himself.
A few moments later. So boring. Brilliant idea. I got an idea. Hey, Deku. Yes, Gachan? I have something for you to do. Oh, I don't like where this is going. What's that, Gachan? Tell them I'm so handsome. But Gachan, that's too... So you won't do it? I will do it. Suck my dick! Guys! Hey, everyone. Stop being sussy Baku. Yes, Midoriya? I have something to tell you. What's that, Midoriya-chan? What? Gachan is so... Huh? Gachan is what? Gachan is so handsome! Huh? Why would you say that all of a sudden? You're really in love with Bakugo, huh? It's not like that, guys. You're making Bakugo blush, Midoriya. I mean, I'm not blushing, stupid. What were you guys smiling at, huh, stupid nerd? Nothing, Gachan. I'm gonna cheat on my boyfriend with this bitch. What are you doing with this half and half, quack, huh? Gachan, I'm just asking him regarding our exam. Though, why not ask me, huh? I already asked you, and... Oh, someone's jealous. No, I'm not! Did I say that it was you? You wanna die, huh? Gachan, please, stop it already. Hey, Deku. Yes, Gachan? Tell this half and half that you're in love with me. But Gachan! Why don't you love me, huh? Todoroki-chan, I love Gachan. Did you hear that? Huh? Midoriya, I already know. But just always remember I'm here for you, in case you'll choose me. What? What did you just say, huh? Guys, just stop it already. Just kidding. Where do you think you're going, huh? Gachan. Hey, nerd, come with me. I don't want to follow you, you fat bitch. I don't like where this is going. Did you say that earlier? Let's have massive sex, right? He looks really angry. Why does everyone always look at you that way? Gachan, okay, I didn't even get. Don't mention that name in front of me. Okay, Gachan. Wait. All right. But please don't be mad at me anymore. I'm gonna fuck you. Stop making that puppy face of yours. Oh, wait, wrong voice. I'm sorry, Gachan. Yeah. He's playing something bad again. You want to forgive me? Yes, Gachan. Bro, follow me, nerd. There's dust on my screen. Can someone please help me? If you're saying it in your head, nobody can, you dumb bitch. I'm gonna peg you in here. Gachan, what are we doing here? I want you to dress. What? I don't want to, Gachan. Hey, don't obey daddy. Whatever he said. Okay. Good boy. Such a good boy. Obeying daddy. Okay. After a few minutes. It's taking you so long, nerd. I'm actually gonna peg you if you don't hurry. Gotcha, I'm almost done. That's what I thought. Be submissive. Yeah. Kachan? So pretty. What did you say? I mean, where did you get that dress, huh? Well, Momo-san helped me with the what? Bro. Well, not bad, Deku. Now, come make me coffee. Okay, yes, Kachan. My back hurts. Ugh. Why does he have to be so pretty? I just want to peg him. I almost lost myself for a moment. I want to give him back shots so hard. At Bakugo's room. Kachan, here's your coffee. Did you make it yourself? Yes, Kachan. I... Alright. Try it, Kachan. Delicious, right? Just right. He seems to like it. And I also put omega stuff in it so you get in heat.
Recently, I went on my first cruise.
This is not a veggie sandwich. Okay, whatever. Hey, stop smiling. I'm not done with you yet. Yes, Kachan. I'll be submissive for you, okay? Come sit on Daddy's lap. Kachan? Hey, come here and massage my back. Okay, Kachan. Watashi no sai. Okay. I'm gonna rub his asshole. Oh, just like that. I don't know that you're so good at massaging, nerd. I just learned this from my mom. Nothing else. I don't stroke it every night. Did he fall asleep? What was that? I'm also I'll just take a quick nap. Me. Few moments later. Oh. Senpai, And who told you to sleep, huh? So you can be pretty too, huh? Ew. What am I thinking? Yeah, what are you thinking? It's just like Andrew and Drag. Control yourself, Bakugo! Yeah! Well, I guess there's nothing I can do, since he's sleeping so soundly. What are we doing? I got you now, Deku. He looks proud for some reason. Ah! Did he just kiss me? Wait, he was awake? I love Yowie! Oh. Well, isn't that just fire?